have here?
Derek.
And I know Eamon.
Yeah, buddy.
We learned how to skydive together. You've never done this before.
Nope, first time.
You've been wanting to jump with them forever.
Since I was a kid.
Yeah? Why'd you wait so long?
Well, I just never had.
Don't tell Julie.
That's the big reason right there.
We celebrating anything or just hanging out friends?
Just hanging out friends.
Driving life, loving life.
Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this?
Stoked we're with Yako.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burned all great in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, boys.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Do you want me to get out?
Woo! Boys ready to get in, get up, get out of this airplane, go have some fun?
Oh yeah.
These boys are nuts. High five. High five.
I'm feeling a little nervous, but. That's a cool experience. I'm definitely glad that I did that.
You did awesome. Pull the right one down, let the left one up. Look at the camera, smile.
Woo! Oh yeah. Woo!
Like that? Yeah. You want another one? Hang on a second. Relax. There's all the sun rays. We're getting low in the valley, so we'll each side of them. Where's the 180? As hard or as light as you want. Going around. Okay, you have to pull it harder. There's my speed car pressure. Yeah. Nice, right? Yeah. I'm feeling great. What do you think?
Look at you, Eamon. That was
That cool or what?
Thank you, Yako.
You're so very welcome. Great job. It was awesome to see you guys.
Hell
Up
yeah.
with you, man. Woo! Woo! You doing it again?
Yes.
I'll let you play with my balls next time.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Coffee. Just gotta grab my balls next time. Okay?
They're nice balls too.